CodeHS has added the ability to use AI from within the CodeHS platform. One initial area of focus for CodeHS is AI hints. Let's take a further look. An AI hint is a way for teachers to assist students as they try to resolve coding and autograder errors. In our example, students were asked to write a program that prompts a user for their role at their school, such as teacher or admin or student, and then output whether they're entitled to a building key. This program is in a course section that focuses on teaching logical operators like AND and OR. The students have worked for a while, and one student, Joe, is struggling and looking for help. To help, we can reread the assignment as a teacher, look at the student code to identify the error, review the CodeHS supplied solution under the More tab, and then compose a message to the student with a potential fix. However, AI may be able to shortcut this process. To find the AI hints, click the More tab, and then select the Conversation option. Note the Generate AI Hint blue button with the corresponding wand. Let's look at using this button in AI Hints with the sample student program. Here's Joe's Python program on the left. As stated, Joe's having some problems, and he has one or more errors. It may take a while to spot the errors on your own and to review the assignment. Let's take a look in the code editor to see if AI hints can help. There you'll have the ability to run the autograder and reread the assignment. Then we will move on to using the CodeHS Generate AI Hint button. Let's go.